Well. Today, I have something special for you guys. I have an amazing pizza recipe that we have adapted on the Recteq 590 pellet smoker. The first step is getting this bad boy turned on. You just turn the grill on to low, let it what's the word I'm looking for? Ignite. And after that, you're going to crank the temperature up to 450 degrees to cook this pizza dough. So, with that being said, let's go inside. Let's go look at the ingredients of the pizza, how we're going to put it together, and let's get this thing cooking. Okay, the ingredients of this pizza are pizza dough, obviously. This pizza dough is from Aldi. It's made by Mama, looks like Kazi. Yeah, pizza dough. Got it spread out. We have this aluminum pan. It's got holes in the bottom and all that good stuff. We're gonna put pulled pork, which we cooked on the Recteq over the weekend, mozzarella cheese, bacon bits, Gouda cheese, and then Hot Wachula's sweet peach barbecue sauce. Locally made in Bartow, Florida. This video is not sponsored. We just like it.
I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. I'm up all day, all night, we playing our last fight. Now in hindsight, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Yeah, kinda hate myself.
All right, now that you've seen how we created the pizza, let's go put this bad boy on the Recteq. As you can see, we are preheated to 450. We're gonna put the pizza on there for about 8 minutes. It's on the rack, in the pan. The pan has holes in the bottom. I'm gonna do it for 8 minutes. All right, well, we've come to the end of the timer. Let's take a look at it. You cook it till the cheese is melted. You can cook it a little longer depending on how crunchy you want the crust. 8 minutes is about perfect. So let's take this off the grill. Be very careful, this is hot. So, for those who say you can't barbecue grill a pizza, guess what? You can. Now, let's go let it cool off, cut it up, and let's eat this pizza. Okay. So here's what it looks like. And there's the bottom. So, let's see what it tastes like. So good. Tastes like smoked pulled pork with Gouda cheese with that barbecue sauce. So good. You can make the crust a little crunchier if you cook it a little bit longer. Like I said, we let it go about 10 minutes. We need to go a little bit longer than 8 minutes, so just check it. That being said, I hope you guys like this little video. It's a little different. I don't know. We love it. This is how we cook pizza now, and we wanted to share it with our friends. So, hope you enjoy. Maybe we can do other videos on the Recteq. Who knows? You can cook anything on that thing. So, anyways, have a good evening. Have a good day. Enjoy life. Peace.